Think you're a math master? Think again. Get ready for the ultimate math challenge. Only the sharpest minds will survive. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more brain-busting quizzes. If 4 steaks cost $80, how much would 6 steaks cost? $120. 254 plus 134 equals? It's 388. 490 minus 332 equals? $158. 10.6 plus 17.3 equals? $27.9. What is 5% of 1,800? The answer is 90. 477 plus 211 equals? The answer is 688. 980 minus 443 equals? $537. 669 minus 119 equals? $550. $120 item is on 20% off. What's the sale price? $96. 624 divided by 24 equals? $26. 15.8 plus 21.2 equals? $37. 25 times 15 equals? The answer is 375. 556 plus 272 equals? It's 828. 1490 minus 311 equals? It's 1179. What is 5% of 1,500? $75. If 5 drones cost $3,000, how much would 4 drones cost? $2,400. 20 times 25 equals? $500. 32.2 plus 15.4 equals? $47.6. 781 plus 112 equals? $893. 907 plus 883 equals? It's 1790. 4,000 divided by 8 equals? It's 500. $150 item is on 30% off. What's the sale price? $105. 977 minus 225 equals? $752. 160 plus 922 equals? $1082. 66.8 minus 14.2 equals? It's 52.6. What is 70% of 2,000? $1,400. 2,500 plus 1,222 equals? $3,722. 7,200 divided by 8 equals? The answer is 900. 50 times 14 equals? 700. 1670 plus 312 equals? $1,982. What is 5% of $808? $44. 1,521 plus 2,145 equals? $3,666. If 8 books cost $16, how much would 12 books cost? $24. 560 minus 230 equals? $330. 4,200 plus 445 equals? $4,645. 40 times 80 equals? $3,200. 1992 minus 331 equals? $1,661. 2311 plus 2345 equals? $4,656. 36.8 minus 12.7 equals? $24.1. What is 20% of $1,500? $300. Well done, everyone! Which question did you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more brain teasers, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next challenge. Thanks for watching!